To lock a folder without using any third-party software in Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click in the same place where the folder is kept. From these options, select New and then click on Text Document. Okay, now open this Notepad. Here, paste the code that you can copy from the description of this video below. Go to the description below and copy this long code and paste it here in this Notepad. Now in this code, locate the text, your password here. It is here. Just delete this part and enter there the password you want to use as the lock of your folder. Once you've done it, click here, File, and then from these options, click on Save As. Select from this drop-down list towards Save As type all files and type here in this file name log.bat, as you can see on the screen. Now close this Notepad and now you can find here an icon named log. Double click on it. Then you can find here a new folder as created named private. Now drag the folder that you want to secure with a password to this new folder named private. And also this time you can delete this Notepad. Now once again double click on this icon log. Then this window will open. Here you will be asked, are you sure you want to lock the folder? Type here Y and then hit enter in your keyboard. Okay, now your folder has been hidden. Now to find your folder, double click on this lock icon. Then this window will open. Here you have to enter the password. Hit enter in your keyboard. Okay, now the folder named private will appear, in which you can find the secured folder. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by itech Tips.